What's behind us?
Calm before the storm, huh? Birds are gonna be flying. Gonna be on my video.
Hi.
Can you even... What are we doing?
Well, we tried to get the draw, and we were the second to last pick, and now we're in public land, and it's not looking very good.
Got lots of Tweety birds. You never know. We're next to some woods, so maybe we'll get some wood ducks.
First off, it smells like we're sitting in poop.
Oh, what am I doing?
How far away?
You don't see them flying? Those are the first 2 ducks we've seen in all day. Because we're standing here. There's one right behind us, I think. Or is that a Tweety? Yeah, those are more Tweeties. But no, those were definitely ducks. That was actually not bad.
What?
That call. See? Sounds just like that. Except I think I scared the geese away. I could do a stick review, like I said. Oh, my chair's falling. This is my stick. Got my hook, holding my bag. Got my friend.
I got my stick.
He's got a stick, and he's using it differently because he's tall, leaning it that way. I'm just hanging these here for now because I got all these reeds over here holding the gun. So, multiple uses, same thing. There you go.
Alright,
Oh, cool.
what?
There are 2 right in front of us. Are those ducks way up high? I don't think those are Tweety birds in formation. Or those ones right there. I swear to God, if another bullet zooms by my head, we're done, and I'm gonna leave so I don't get shot. What the f*** are you shooting at? So, update.
It's pointing at the ground.
Update.
Oh, well, a bullet went zooming by our faces. That was real fun.
There's 22. Is this jerk off? I don't know what he's shooting at.
I don't know, but kind of wish we had some orange now.
Yeah. That's why also on public land during other hunting seasons, you don't shoot squirrels at a ground level. Shoot them in the tree because there's people multi-use. And yeah, we heard a bullet zoom by us. Hold on. Okay, we're back. It's actually the following day, and I just want to do a little recap. So, public land, we're all public landowners, and we all need to do our part and be responsible on them. Because today, when we were in the marsh, not in the managed area because we didn't get the draw, someone was squirrel hunting and not paying attention where they were shooting down at the ground, and yeah, a bullet zoomed right past our head. It's pretty distinguishable. If you've never had that happen, if you heard something like this, it's just It's just like a zing right over your head. And it's scary as shit. So, you can't wear orange when you're duck hunting. But you should wear orange so other hunters don't see you. So there's that dilemma. And just, you never know. You can be safe all you want. I tell my wife that all the time, that I'm probably, me and my friends, I know we're safe. I know we follow, good practices, so we don't shoot each other in the face. But you can't control everyone. And that was kind of scary. Maybe we'll just stick with the managed areas, and if we don't get a draw, just go home, or go fishing, or go deer hunting. So, anyway, that's duck hunting. Early season, it's tough. After everyone the first week shoots up all local birds, you just gotta wait for the migrators and go from there. So, probably in another, hopefully, normally the end of October, so in the next week, hopefully they'll start picking up. Now that it's starting to get cold. And so hopefully next time we can get on some ducks. So, thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and that thumbs up so you don't miss another episode of Michigander Outdoors.